I'm looking over here for some reason. It's over there. What's up, everyone? So today we are doing a quick upgrade on the Superduty with these LED 921 reverse bulbs. It's a quick and easy install, so it's not going to be a very long video, but hopefully it's helpful for some of you guys if you're trying to decide if you want to do this or not. So it doesn't look too bad in the camera, but it is actually really dull in person, and you can see from the other side, it does a okay job of illuminating, at least through the camera. The camera is doing a lot to help illuminate here because, I mean, the sky looks blue right there, but it is black outside right now. So it's a lot duller than this actually looks. So let's swap these out for some LEDs. If you are removing your taillight off of a Superduty, or probably really any Ford truck, the bolt that holds that housing in is a 5/16. And something to keep in mind, regardless of what you're doing this on, that some LED bulbs are polarity specific, and this particular bulb wasn't, so it's just something to keep in mind if you guys are doing that. What that means is the positive and the negative does actually matter, so keep that in mind when you're doing it. Make sure that you've got your bulb in correctly so that you have the positive and the negative in the correct locations. That is both of those replaced. Hopefully the camera is not going to mess this up too much for you guys and actually show how much of a difference this really does make, because it actually makes quite a large difference. You can see it's actually lighting up the reflector on the Mini across the road there. I apologize that the before picture is a little lower than I want it to be, but you can see from this the pole on the right hand side of the picture is not really illuminated beforehand and doesn't cast a shadow, and you can see the vehicles on the other side aren't really illuminated very well. And if you look at the after picture, you can see the pole is very illuminated, casts a pretty serious shadow, and it illuminates the vehicles across the road really well. So it's thrown out a lot more light than it used to. I'm really happy with these LEDs. That finishes up the install on those reverse lights. I don't know if you guys would consider that an upgrade or not. I do, because it does make a really big difference. Hopefully it helps you guys with your decision on if you want to actually switch to an LED from the standard halogens. It's cheap, they're much brighter, and LEDs last a lot longer. So hopefully you guys hit that like button, subscribe button. We will see you guys very soon.